How to speak English fluently. Communicate confidently with these 7 top tips. How to speak English fluently. Learn how to speak fluent, confident, and natural. Every English learner is different, but there are a number of easy ways to improve in short period of time. Let's see 7 tips on speaking English fluently and confidently. Let's see 7 tips on speaking English fluently and confidently. First one, don't be afraid to make mistakes. So what is that? Your goal is to deliver a message, not speak perfect English. So first we have to deliver a message. No need to speak perfectly. So with right grammar and vocabulary. Even native English speakers can make mistakes. Okay, this is the first tip. Next, second one, practice, practice, practice. Practice makes perfect. Constantly look for opportunities to test out your spoken English. Provide an easy way to speak English and get feedback from with native speakers around the world. So everyone should do practice. Third tip, listen. The more you hear, the easier it will be for you to speak better English. You will start speaking more fluently and confidently in conversation, learning how to give your opinion in English with new expression and idioms. Next, fourth one, celebrate success. What is that success? Every time you talk to someone in English is an achievement. Every single interaction you have, no matter how small, will help you improve your skills over time. Be proud of your progress. These first 4 tips help provide the best way to start speaking English with ease. The following 3 steps will help take your English speaking skills to the next level. Further, improve your English speaking skills with our final 3 tips. Fifth one, think in English. Go from speaking good English to great English by thinking in the language. Again, go from speaking good English to great English by thinking in the English language. It means we have to think in English language. You will find it difficult at first, but after some time, you will learn how to switch between speaking English and your first language. Sixth one, talk to yourself. It will look funny, we know, but by talking to yourself in English in front of the mirror for a few minutes each day, you will learn when and how to use different expressions. You will also learn where you make most of the mistakes. Okay. Seventh one, tongue twister. Tongue, tongue twister means tongue twisters help improve your diction, teach you how to speak quickly. Practice with tricky saying like this. Example, the 33 thieves, though that they thrilled the throne throughout the throughout Thursday. This is the tongue twister tip. I hope you understand these tips. Thank you everyone.